I'll show you exactly how to start your own business and become an entrepreneur, even if you have no idea how to begin. This video will help you to choose your niche, to craft your product, and to acquire your first customers. And actually, a lot of beginners don't have this realization that every business starts with a problem. You need to solve problems for your clients, or else they will never pay you for anything. You start a business because of the selfish reasons, but actually you need to become selfless if you want to continue to play this game. Because every entrepreneur needs to add value to people to get money in return. And the value is created when pain is alleviated. So you need to alleviate pain from your customers. To choose a niche, you just need to answer these two questions. Which problems do I want to solve? And which difficulties do I want to face? Because every business is different and you will have different problems. For example, if you want to start a personal brand, you need to come up with ideas, you need to shoot videos, you need to edit video. You may read some mean comments about you. Or if you want to start an e-commerce brand, you need to solve the quality of the product problem or the problem with slow delivery. Also, you need to invest some money upfront. And every business is different like that. Every entrepreneur has his own journey. But in my opinion, becoming an online consultant is the easiest path you can take. And to become a consultant, you don't need some PhDs, Oscars, Grammys. You don't need to have $1 billion. It's so unnecessary. To help someone, you just need to be 2 steps ahead. And you might ask, what if I don't have any skills? But you actually have some skills that you can sell right now. If you have some doubt, you can read some books or take some online courses. You don't need to be very advanced, just 2 steps ahead of your potential customer. And actually, it doesn't matter which niche you choose, because your first business is going to be a disaster. The foundation on which you make your decision is actually wrong. Because you don't have any experience, you don't have any knowledge, you don't have any skills. How can you decide the right niche if you don't have anything to base upon your decision? You don't have the foundation of your decision. But this foundation you will acquire only if you start. And if you have zero clue where to start, you can start just with the personal brand. Because it's the most flexible thing. You can just shoot videos and talk about your, for example, hobbies or your interests, and then you grow some audience, for example, hundreds of people, thousands even, and then you can make a product for them. And to become an entrepreneur, you must have a product that people can buy from you. It can be physical, digital, or you can just provide some services. And you should really focus on your product, because the value is created only when the product solves the pain of the customer. And if you will have a valuable product, people will buy more. People will write testimonials, people will refer their friends to you. And when you're starting, you just need to create a minimal viable product. You should really craft it fast. Just have the main thing in there, the thing that brings results to people. No need to have some bonuses, extras, and so on. You can add it later. And a lot of people overthink this. They think if I procrastinate enough, if I read enough books, if I work on my product a year more, then I can sell it. But it doesn't work like that. For example, iOS, the operating system of the iPhone, has 17 versions. And people think if I procrastinate enough, if I think enough, then I will craft some quality product like iOS 17. But actually, everyone starts with the iOS 1, because the best way to learn and to improve your product is actually to start while you're learning. It is the best strategy. And talking about strategy, for example, you may love chess and you can start a YouTube chess channel. Then you can make some course about chess or maybe offer some online consultation. So it really isn't that difficult, especially if you're creating some digital product or providing services. And everyone you see on the internet started very small and improved his products, his videos, for example, 1% every day. So in order to make something great, you just need to start small and improve it day by day. And most beginner entrepreneurs will spend most of the time acquiring customers. And you only have 4 types of customer acquisition. You can send warm outreach to people that already know you. You can send cold outreach to people you don't know. You can grow organic audience, for example, on YouTube, on Twitter, on Instagram, and so on. And you can pay for ads. And if you don't have enough customers, you're just not advertising enough. And I know this sounds overwhelming. I need to focus on my product and I need to focus on my existing customers. And I also need to acquire new customers. But welcome to business. It's not easy. And actually, a very good strategy from Alex Hormozi is that you need to let your first 5 customers for free. You just need to test if your product works. And if it works, your free customers can write testimonials for you. And then you can show the proof that what you're selling is worth it. And people will buy more. And you may be struggling to start because you're afraid of other people. What will they think about you? But it doesn't matter really, because your product is gonna suck anyway. Your first content is going to suck anyway. Your warm outreach, cold outreach, you have no experience, and for this reason it will have a very low quality, and some people may joke about it. But so what? You just need to start somewhere. Everyone started from zero, and if you just start and never stop, there is no way that you will not win. You basically have nothing to lose and everything to gain, especially if you're young. For example, I'm 22. I have nothing to lose, and it's never been an easier time to start your business. The cost of the mistake is so low. You don't really need to invest money to start. Maybe $20 here and there, but no more than that. And you just make it a step after step after step after step. The path is eliminated as you walk it. You will gain some clarity later. You just need to start with something, and I believe in you. You can do this, bro. Click this video right now if you want to continue to learn further. See ya.